Alright, so I got this piece of 80 CRV2, 1/4 inch thick, 1.5 inches and 12 inches long. I'm going to try and forge out a draw knife. Alright, just going to go over the edge of the anvil and make a set down right there where I want to separate that material. So now I've got these two tails forged out. So now I'm going to start laying in some bevels. Alright, so we've got our draw knife here forged out. So now I'm going to go to the grinder and I'm going to grind the edge and the spine. I'm going to grind the tangs. I'm not taking all that much material off right now. I'm just kind of cleaning up the shape I have here and getting this plane started and this plane started. Once I got that, established, I'm going to take the forge out, fire the forge up, and then harden this, and we can go on to tempering it after that. Alright, here's the draw knife. Out of hardening and tempering, I did 2 tempering cycles for 1.5 hours each at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to flatten off the back, grind the bevel in, get it down to sharp, all polished up, and then we'll move on to getting the handles made and put on there. So we've got this draw knife all ground and sharpened up. So the next thing we're going to have to do is make the handles. So I've got 2 pieces of hickory that I cut, and we're just going to drill 2 holes going down them, and then I'll be able to join those 2 holes together and make it fit up for the handle. So here's the draw knife all finished up. Burnt brushed hickory handles. I made sure to leave some facets. It feels good. I'm not totally sure about the angle on the handles. I just need to wait and see what I think after I've used it more. But I think it will work pretty good.